We're back. Nature, novices in nature, go camping on Antelope Island, and right now we are just getting used to all the bugs, but yeah, we are. There's a lot of them. So we have 3 things that we need to do right away before it gets dark. We need to pitch a tent, build a fire, and cook dinner. Start making dinner. Okay. Why are you gonna give me the thing though? Oh, that's gross.
Did I kill him?
No, there are like 100 of them back here.
Inside my shirt?
On your neck.
This is pathetic. We work at a newspaper and this is all we got.
Good work.
Not quite yet. Whoa. Whoa. When he showed you, was he doing this with this?
I don't remember. Okay. Watch this.
Careful.
Have you used this before? Or just...
So we got our shelter together after a little bit.
We built a pretty good fire.
That is dying, and we have to go hunt for more wood after a while.
Yep. And then we made a pretty good meal. So we accomplished our goals, and now we're gonna enjoy our food and the sunset in a couple of minutes.
Well,
more than a couple of minutes.
Like a couple hours.
Couple hours? I don't think so.
Look how high